Japan is really safe. I've seen people like sleeping around with their phones fallen here and there. Nobody is gonna touch.
ये बातें बताई नहीं जाती, नजर लग जाती है।
गाइस, तो अभी बजा है रात के 10:30 बजे। तो मेरे अंदर एक चुल है। So now I feel like going to some interesting place. So apparently there is a place nearby my house. At night it gets alive. Do you guys wanna go? Okay, let's go. Yes, so I'm ready to go. बहुत ठंड है बाहर, इसलिए मैं हेडफोन्स पहना हूँ। बहुत ठंड है गाइस, बहुत ठंड है। We are out now. Got my cycle. It's cold. It's like very random. Just commonly I'm taking you guys out. Some parking, vending machine. That's my building. So उधर painting हो रहा है. So they're painting, so it's covered. You can't see. And that's the Osukanon temple. Osukanon Street. You go straight, that is Osukanon Street, and this way, it's my building, and this is Osukanon Temple. Wait, let me show you. This is temple. Let's go. So in Japan, having headlights, some kind of light. In your cycle, it's very much important. You should have light, or else police will stop you. They are gonna fine you for sure. So lights are very compulsory in Japan. You shouldn't use your phone while cycling. I'm sorry, yeah. You shouldn't. Yeah. So it's Saturday night, right? So most of the people are gonna be out. So there's a party area near my house. It's called as Sakai. I've told in a couple of videos. So we'll go there. We'll see what's the scene. What's going on over there? So, I guess you guys have heard about Japan is the safest country for anyone, right? I'll show you guys why it is the safest country. Japan is really safe. I've seen people like sleeping around with their phones fallen here and there. Nobody is gonna touch.
ये बातें बताई नहीं जाती, नजर लग जाती है।
Area doesn't sleep. Almost all of them will be open till morning. People are having fun. These are the bus tickets. So a very famous club over here. There are a lot of people. Yeah, it's crowded. People are filled over there. I don't know if it will be okay to record because there is a bit scene of gangs over here. So there are quite good number of things, and this area is not that उतना safe है नहीं है। जापान सेफ है, पर ऐसे कुछ जगह होता है ना, हर जगह पे उतना सेफ नहीं रहता है। अपने आप गलत टाइम पे आप गलत जगह पे रहोगे ना, then you will fall into trouble for sure. Yeah. ये सब क्रिसमस के लिए I've decorated it for Christmas, I guess. It's very pretty. The whole street is like that. whole street. People are going crazy. They'll go more crazy after this. So in this area, there are a lot of karaoke. So Japanese people they have a craze about karaoke. Like they go there. There'll be I have some videos. I'll put it for you guys. Yeah, so this is quite famous place. You can see over here. You can't see. I'll show you when we get closer. So there is a place called Ichiran, okay? So initially when I ate that ramen, I fell in love with that. So good. This is the karaoke place. And there are a lot of them. You see Joy Joy over there. So and that's like the whole building is for that. There'll be separate rooms. You go and see people are waiting outside for. So all these are waiting to get a room over there. So they go with their friends. They enjoy, they have fun, and you can be there till morning. Like morning 5 I guess, yeah. So basically इधर light red रहता है, and the thing you have to do is, तो एक बार क्या हुआ था, मैं आके इधर, I was standing in the signal. It's been 5 minutes. I've been waiting, and it's not turning green. And later I realized, so there is a button which you have to press, and only then, see it's written over here, push button to cross street. So only then it turns green, or else it's gonna be red itself. I didn't know. I waited for so long. In India we don't do this. We just cross. पूरी हिंदी बात करना. तो अभी ये नया मूवी रिलीज हुआ है ना, this is the tower. There are no much people right now over here. So I've parked my cycle here. I'll take you guys there. I'll just show you around how it is. So this is the tower. Usually, there are so many festivals and everything. So morning there was some festival going on over there. So things will be going on, and now it's done. It's already 11 o'clock, that's why. So I told Japan is very safe, right? Yes, it is safe. But there was a small incident with us initially when we came. I'll tell you guys. I'm taking you guys over there. I'll tell you. So ये tower है, and this is the place. And we were sitting right here. I'll show you guys right. तो क्या हुआ? We were having food, and later around at 1 o'clock or 1:30, I wanted to go home actually. तो मुझे बहुत नींद आ रहा था. So apparently one of our senior, he was here and he was asleep, and we were 5 more of us, and I wanted to go home. So I asked if someone is gonna come, and they were ready to come, and we couldn't leave him alone. So one of our friend, he was waiting here. So they were sleeping right here. And they have kept their bags over there. You see that sitting place thing, no? So they have kept over there. So what happened was, both of them were sleeping here, and suddenly 2 people came, it seems. They came from there, they took the bag and they ran over there. And my friend saw, who was waiting with our senior. He saw they ran, so he went behind them to get his bag. Apparently he went near them and he got his bag back. What I had done is, my senior's bag, he had all his stuff in his, I stuffed earphones and everything in his bag. and I had kept beside him where he was sleeping. So by the time my friend went and got his bag and he's coming back, this bag is not there. It's so funny. So they actually, I don't know if it is actually, it was a plan, like they wanted to take that and the actual hunt was for this bag. He went to get that and this bag is gone. So this is one bad experience, and my senior was like, this never happens in Japan. And maybe our luck was not good, that's why. So Japan is really safe. I've seen people like sleeping around with their phones fallen here and there. Nobody is gonna touch any of your items. It's very safe. But yeah, we were unlucky. Yeah, we got robbed that day and later we had to go and call police. We called them, we got police somewhere from those streets, and by the time police came, our senior, we woke him up. We tried to explain like what was happening. But the good part is our senior had a air tag in his bag. So apparently we could track his bag, but it was in some house over there, between two houses or something, and we couldn't really get it. And next day he got his bag, but he didn't get his wallet, so all his Zairo card, all his credit card, everything was lost. Apparently you can't use it. Like Japan is so safe, like if you file a complaint and if they would have used his card or something, then he would be caught for sure. I don't know why would they do that. And with Zairo card, they can't do anything. And maybe they were scared that if they want to give it back also, they may be caught or something. So there were actually CC cameras over there. I asked police people to like check the recordings, but it's not that easy. It seems like they have to go and I don't know, there are some procedures, so they couldn't do it. Yeah, that's the bad thing, but it's okay. Japan is really safe, guys. Like I've seen girls walking at night and they feel safe. It's that safe. So if a girl feels safe at night around like 2-3 o'clock going alone, imagine how safe the country is. Japan is really nice, really nice. Guys, the thing is, I'm telling all this and I'm explaining this, but I forgot to lock my cycle. Shit. Thank God it's here. Yeah, it's here. So in Japan, you're not safe with two things. One is umbrella and the second thing is cycle. People steal umbrella and people steal cycle. I don't know why. These are the only two unsafe things in Japan. Yeah, the story, that's a bad luck. I wouldn't blame Japan for that. Yeah, that's all. Let's go home, guys. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's nice, yeah. Recording.